Those strong winds in the forecast have forced Duluth Spirit Mountain to close early today. We are taking a live look at the ski hill right now, where, as you can tell, lift's not going, nobody on the hill out there. They decided to close today at 3 earlier this afternoon, and they hope to be back open by 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. However, Spirit Mountain leaders want you to know to check their Facebook page for the very latest updates in case something else happens. No word yet from Lutsen Mountains tonight up on the North Shore, where they are also expected to be experiencing some blizzard-like conditions later tonight.